All right, so for this problem, what you have is a list, and the list has a whole bunch of strings in it. And so what we want to do is take that list and concatenate all of the strings into one, except that in between strings we want to make sure that there is a white space. So first things first, we're going to check if the list is empty. We're just going to return an empty string. So let's not waste time trying to do anything if that's the case. Otherwise, we're going to create a result variable. This is the list that we're building. And then from here, we're going to go and say, let's traverse the array list. I is less than list.size. What we're going to do is we're actually not going to go to the very last index. We are going to stop one less, and I'm going to talk about that in a second. I++. And then each time we're going to add the current element using the get, and then this is where we want to add the white space. So this right here is going to ensure that we're adding a white space. And then finally, at the end here, we're going to add the very last element. Add the very last element. Because remember, we skipped it right here. So we're going to go list.get the element at size -1, which is the last element. Now the reason we want to do this right here is because of the fact that if we added a white space at the end of the very last element, then what you have is an extra white space, which is not the same thing, right? So if you take a look at here, it only adds a white space in between the elements themselves. It's not going to add one at the end or the front. All right, so then we return the result. Control S, save, and compile. And there you go.